Oatmeal is a really healthy food that you can eat for breakfast or any time of the day, but unfortunately, some of these pre-made packets aren't the best for you. And that reason is because a lot of them are filled with extra added sugar. It might seem like a good idea of, oh, I got this nice blueberry fruit fusion, or oh, I got this cranberry with flax seeds, that's great. Even cinnamon crunch, that sounds good. Cinnamon's good for you, right? It's a spice. The thing is, this cinnamon one has 12 grams of added sugar added to it. This fruit fusion one has 6 grams of added sugar added to it. And this cranberry one, cranberries are healthy, of course, right? 11 grams of added sugar. This isn't to say you shouldn't be eating these, as these are very flavorful, and if you're starting a diet, eating instant oatmeal, even with these things, is probably better than eating some of those sugary cereals, because these at least have a little bit of fiber and will keep you full a little bit longer. But what I usually do and recommend is to combine a little bit of some regular oatmeal with some of these packets. So if you eat 2 packets normally, you would take a little bit of this, maybe a serving, a quarter cup, and then some of those oatmeal as well. If you want to just completely get rid of these, that's totally an option. This is a lot cheaper than getting these packets too. And then what I like doing is adding in some of these add-ons. I have sugar-free chocolate syrup, sugar-free regular syrup, actual cinnamon. If you want a little bit of protein, you can add some Greek yogurt, or you can even add a little bit of protein powder. I'm not the biggest fan of this protein powder. I'm going to link in the description all these products in my favorite protein powder. You can add some greens powder to it as well. This is the brand that I use and like. You can even add some nice cut up fruit, and that's going to be a lot better option for you than sticking to some of these packets, which are a little expensive. They are very quick and easy, so if you are looking for convenience, it might be a better option. But at the end of the day, if you get in a groove and pick out a couple of these basic things, it's really going to make it a lot easier for you to get kind of a healthier option without getting a lot of that added sugar.